been eating sushi. This that real good. This that where this Chattahoochee from Gala. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Breezy Bad, 3 Ys 2 Ds. And y'all know what today is? What's today? What's today? Fun Friday! So today, what are y'all gonna make today?
Slime.
Sean and Shy are gonna make
Slime.
red slime.
Red slime. Orange slime. Blue slime. Orange slime. Orange.
Just
slime.
red
Red
slime.
slime.
But y'all stay tuned to the video. Let me go ahead and get this camera set up for them. Be right back.
And some orange.
Okay. We got our bucket.
We ready.
Ready?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. They got their bucket.
Can we do the shaving
They
cream?
got their shaving cream.
We got the.
They got all their glue. They got contact solution.
We have. Yep.
Put y'all bucket right here.
Mike, can I do a shaving cream?
I'm gonna open the glue so y'all can put it in there.
Okay. I want blue. Me
It's really not a color. It's just glue. It's not a color.
It's. Why is it not coming?
Okay, I need to get something. Don't pour it in there yet. Let me get something.
That's my mine. Do you know what where she go? No, I don't. We can do it. We will do it by ourselves, Mommy. If we do it.
Okay, put that in there.
Wow, John, look, the glue.
Hey, don't waste it.
Gonna pour your other glue in it? You gonna add your glue in there? Ugh.
Tell me when you're done and I'm gonna give you another.
It's white. Dude, mine is yuck. It's in part. No, it's a hoarder.
Got it?
I got
Squeeze it.
Yo, oh, Sean. Oh my goodness. Sean, you got it? Ew. Look, yeah. You okay, Sean? You got this slime? Whoa, Sean.
Don't waste it. Squeeze it. Sean, you moving the bucket.
I know it. Look at all of it. Sean, how about? Okay. Mike, we have another one.
Wait, let all that glue go.
Not a glue. I have to squish the parts. You can't make the slime. Let's see.
So y'all put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things of glue.
Okay. That is yuck. It look like pudding. Look, it look like slime and pudding. Need to do this. Sprinkle along with glue. Right, do this. Push it hard. So how about let's push There we go.
You ain't done. Keep putting it in there.
Squish it. Squish. There's no more.
Let me see.
It's all gone. Mine's all gone.
Let me see. You have a lot.
No.
Okay, clean your hand.
I'm going to clean my hand first. I'm all covered in glue. What, do I do a
No, not yet.
I'm all covered in glue, Sean. Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. I want to do sugar cream.
Next, they're going to do contact solution and shaving cream.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me see. Okay. I'm going to shake it up for you. Shy, you squeeze some contact solution. Sean, you squeeze some shaving cream. Shy, wait. You don't need a lot. Squeeze it. Squeeze right here. See? Squeeze that.
Need all the solution.
Squeeze it.
What?
Like that.
Sean, look, it's peeling. It's hotter. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I don't want this much.
What?
I don't want this much.
Okay, switch.
Switch.
Go ahead.
I can't want to get up.
Squeeze it. You can get up.
I'm gonna sit down.
Yeah, go ahead. Use your thumb.
What, this time?
Yeah, use that. Ha!
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
See, Sean, look on your face. Okay. There you go. It's all dry. Uh-oh. You got some.
Oh, I dropped the spoon.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I will dry it. The clay was this.
Put it down.
It was
Now I'm gonna put a few drops of. Oh,
clay.
I didn't open it. I got it.
I'm going to do it. You want to play with it? It will be sticky. That's all our slime look.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put some paint.
Let's put some paint. Can I do with the paint?
I'm gonna put the paint.
You ready? Look. Whoa!
That's a wall way.
Look at you.
I'm a
Bust your
bucket.
fucking ass.
Oh!
Move. I got it. Back up.
Ew.
Whoa. Now can we?
Some pink again.
Well, we have orange. Whoa.
Our school won't think we're making slime.
They just turn red.
Hmm.
They just turn red.
Hmm.
Can we do it? Oh.
Ew.
Move. I need to put some more stuff.
Whoa. More shaving cream.
Look,
Okay, at this time it's getting a little bit messy, so I'm gonna mix it
Chad, there's shaving
for
cream.
them.
Well, it's looking slimy.
Whoa.
Ah! That is looking like slime.
Paint first.
And get all the shaving cream.
Hmm?
The shaving cream's gone.
Whoa!
My, you're doing great.
Slime.
Okay.
Now we can do it.
Yeah.
See that, Sean? Hey, mix it with your hands. My hands are slimy. My hands are slimy. Oh, my Sean. Slime. Does not look like slime.
Yeah.
Whoa, Sean, you're doing great.
You okay, Sean?
Whoa. There's a what's a shaving cream?
What's slime? Yeah, there's slime. Whoa! How we make slime now? Full of this slime.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Getting sticky.
It's gonna sticky.
Getting sticky.
It's getting wash sticky.
Show you so messy.
I need to wash up.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
It's gonna sticky.
oh.
Oh.
Now it's gonna sticky.
Getting sticky.
Teacher
Whoa.
won't know.
Whoa.
Take your hand out.
My hand now.
Why? How are you?
Let's see.
Let's see. It's bubbly. It's squishy.
Give me your hand, Sean.
Slime now.
No, it's stretched.
Watch.
It's so stretched. Whoa.
Oh, look. It's taking the stuff off.
Oh,
Look.
really?
You want it off your hand? Let me show you. Look.
Whoa.
Look, it's sticking on my hand.
Good. Don't take the pink stuff off. Hey, give me that hand. It's bubbly. Watch. Give me that hand.
It's guilty. Yeah, a bubble.
Watch. Let me show you.
Hey.
It's okay.
Number two.
It's slime to make slime.
I'm mowing it. The bucket is so dirty.
I know.
And it's so stretchy.
Slime.
And it's so
You know what to
sticky.
do. Sean, stop. You're getting me all slimy. You okay, Sean? It's looking slimy.
Get out.
You okay? Look, Sean.
Try to get this off of me.
Look, Mommy. Look, that's how you do it. You can do your hair like this. Well, we don't really know Mercato. It's only slimy. Like it? See? I told you. It's well, look, my hands are clean. Sean, oh my goodness, look. It's really sticky. It's falling off the table. It's on the table now.
One thing about slime, y'all, once it's right, it's gonna stick. Meaning, all that stuff that's left around,
And but
use it to
bye.
clean up.
And
Let me
bye.
give me a little piece. Y'all do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna use this one to clean up.
It's the biggest.
Sean, we cleaning the table up. Look, that's how you gonna get all fluffy. Here, what that piece? It's only slime. My hand is stuck in slime. Here, you can get my slime. I don't want it. You can have mine. Wait, Kenneth.
Yeah.
It's big.
Okay.
Yeah, take this off first. I need to take it. Ah! Whoa! Look at that. You okay, Mommy?
Let me make a bubble.
Okay. How about pop it?
No.
You evil. Ah!
How we made that?
It's so big.
Let's make it again. This is not fair,
I
slime.
could make it again.
Bubble, bubble.
Let's make a giant big one.
That didn't work. Let's see.
Oh man, let's start over.
Seriously. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There's the list. There's some on my way.
I'm gonna clean you. You have to take a bath anyway.
Okay. Hey, where's
That's small.
That's small.
how about we make it bigger?
Sit down.
Who?
Your hands are. Your hands are.
Look.
Yeah. Go.
Look.
Ah!
Oh, and pop.
Need to pop it.
Oh, we will do it with our hands, Mommy.
Yes.
Well, the baby's fine.
Whoa! It popped. Where did it go?
Everyone needs to clean up.
Make it again.
Look, bubble, a bubble, like a bubble. Look, Sean.
Oh no! Don't put that on me.
I don't need bubbles.
You're putting something on you.
Big bubble. Big bubble.
Oh, so huge! Oh, Shy, don't pop it.
I like to.
Don't pop it. Just leave it there when I make a big one.
Okay. You'll make it one for Shy too.
Hands are sticking out. That is cool.
Shall
He
we?
gave me a make slime like that. That's how they
Shy,
make
don't
slime.
pop it. So small.
Okay, let me make a big one.
Okay.
I'm trying to make a big one, but I can't.
I'm gonna help you. I can't make
Your
that.
hands are too small.
I can make a bubble. Should I say I can't?
Ew, disgusting. You got Mommy's trying to make a big one.
Trying to put in some work. Okay, look.
Wow. Oh, that's a big giant bubble. I popped it all. That's not a big bubble.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Why you keep rocking the table?
It didn't walk the table. We didn't.
What did it?
Okay, look, I got it. Watch this, watch this.
Got
Whoa, whoa, chill. Oh. Oh, no. Okay, I'm making a piece. I'm blowing it.
Slime. I love you, Sean. Love you.
Whoa, Sean.
Squish it. Slime. Feel like I can. Watch this. Look, Sean.
Here comes this
My
slime.
slime is good.
Ew.
Stick it to my hand.
Here comes this slime.
Oh, here. Did I?
Ew.
Look, Sean. I almost did that. Here, Sean, you can. Look, a baby. Sean's like, ooh.
I'm getting all sloppy.
Please, I showed you the slime. Y'all look my slime. Slime is, look. Look, they see him. Look. Yeah. Slime is good.
Oh my gosh, you're.
It's okay, Sean. You can't scream it. Look, Sean. Sean, feel it. Sean, feel my slime. Look. Sean, you have slime everywhere on the shirt. I'm
Oh
getting your table.
my gosh.
What?
My
Oh
square.
my God. I look like Play-Doh.
Mommy's. Like, can you light it up? And can you turn off the lights?
Why?
Because this Play-Doh will light up.
Whoa!
Hey, what's up? All the lights up. Why
You
did
can do it in a Target like that. Look, Mommy, look. You can make it. Now look, you stretch it out.
And you, yep, stretch it.
Slime, look at all the slime. Yeah, it is slime. My hand's sticking to your slime, Sean. Look, Sean. Slime.
Okay, y'all go ahead and y'all video.
Bye.
And have
Thanks
a
for-
slide day.
Have a slime day and have fun with all your parents.
And
make
have
slime
fun.
with them all
And
day.
we make pink slide.
Pink slime. It looked like pink, but it looked like pink.
And
it is
we're
cute.
sliding.
Real slime.